Hello everybody, this is Batang Malabon for the okay. Kamusta na kayo dyan? Medyo malamig dito sa aking room and kagigising ko lang pero tanghali na. Around 12 na yata ng 12 noon. Anyway, meron na naman akong isang i-unbox. This time unboxing talaga siya kasi nasa box pa siya talaga. So before we do that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Okay. Thank you ulit sa nag-sponsor. Sana marami pang sponsor for this month. Hindi ko na papatagalin to para hindi na mahaba yung aking vlog. Kasi may pasok pa ako I need to go prepare to go to my work. So let's start. Okay, wala naman nakalagay na. Ito yung box muna. I'll show you the box first because it's unboxing. Okay. And this is the box. Okay, lahat ng ng mga nakasulat sa kanya is almost naka-ukit. Ang tawag doon? Naka-ukit siya, yan. Hindi siya just a ordinary print. And the size is yan ang aking size, 9.5. But sometimes ito yung niya. Hindi ma-focus. It's 9.5 size, but sometimes there's a brand of shoes that I will go 9 or but not that ganun kakal palagi. Sometimes it's 10. Okay, but mostly my size is 9.5. And here's the other side. Okay. Alam niyo na yung number na yan, di ba? Okay, ito yung another side niya, yung front. Front. Ayan, yung nakasulat din. And yung isang side, ito. Ayan, kilala niyo na yan, di ba? At ito yung ilalim, yung ilalim ng box. Ayan, so talagang legit siya, legit. Okay, buksan ko na. What's inside the box is, ayun, may nakasulat pa rin. Ang daming nakasulat sa kanyang box. Yan. And ito na yun, nasa loob. And ayan, nasa loob. What's inside the box, ayan. Masyadong maliwanag yung aking light. Okay, so kunin ko na siya. So that's all the inside the box. Meron siyang shoes, ang kanyang paper, ang kanyang gel. Please do not eat this. Okay. Okay. Ayan na, meron pa man siya.
Oh yeah.
Ayan na, just inside the box. Meron it's a Jordan. Ito yung top of ng box pala, yung top. Ito yung model Jordan Aerospace 720 JCRD. Okay. Yun, Jordan Aerospace 720. Ayan ang kanyang side. Meron siyang yung pamatay ng Nike na Air. First time kong nagkaroon ng shoes na full area ata na ganito. Okay, and ito yung kanyang front. Ayan siya, Jordan. Ito yung kanyang number siguro. At yung kanyang likod, ganyan. So, hindi siya katulad ng mga ibang Jordan na nakalagay talaga yung pangalan niya, Jordan. Walang ganun. Ito, number lang nakalagay. Ayan. For number lang nakalagay. May number siya rito, 0023. And also here, meron siya naka-engrave. Okay, and yung loob niya, ayun. Wala pa rin nakasulat na Jordan na name. Nakalagay lang Jump, hindi makita yung loob. Madilim kasi, may nakaprint sa loob, there's a print. Nakalagay lang Jumpman inspired by natatakpan eh. Wait lang. Ayun, meron pa rin sa loob na papel. Ito. Ayun, nakasulat sa kanya is okay, logo nung Jordan, yung logo flight. And nakaprint is Jumpman 00023 inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Wow! Inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Makakalipad siguro ito. And ito yung sa kanya sa ilalim. Ayan. Yung sa ilalim, ayan. Nag-alarm. Yung flight pa rin na sign pero wala pa rin name niya. And may nakasulat na ito, Air 720. So yung texture niya is mukhang mamahali naman. Ito meron siyang hindi name. Nakalagay lang JRD. Ito. JRDN. So stands for Jordan. JRDN, and sa kabila is 002. Pinahirapan pa nila, no? Parang ano-ano pa, no? Pahirap pa sila. Tapos ito may nakalagay na naka-engrave na Air 720. And dito yung 0023. Yan, naka-engrave. And dito nakalagay yung inspired for greatness and designed for flight. Okay, so smells test. Hindi ko nagawa kanina. Deep breath. Smells fresh, brand new, and taste it. lasang Jordan. It's Nike. Yes. Pero wala akong nakitang nakalagay na Nike rito eh. Jordan lang. And the color niya is black, challenge red. Yun, black challenge. Walang nakalagay na Nike, Jordan lang. Ganun ba? Ito sa likod pala, Nike. And Nike. Pero dito wala kang makikitang sign or logo na or name na Nike or name na full name ni Jordan, just initial ng JRDN. Sa box lang merong nakalagay na Nike. Yan. So yan, thank you so much sa nag-sponsor, and thank you again sa panood ng aking unboxing. Okay? And please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. Button 140. This time hindi kayo